So what's your ambition goal?
What's your ambition goals? Oh, this question is also torturing me. कि where are you? Who am I?
Yes.
Where are you? और काबी रूह जब बेदार होती है नौजवानों में, नजर आती है उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में। नहीं तेरा नशीमन कसरे सुल्तानी की गुंबद पर, तू शाहीन है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों पर। These kind of ideas, things also clicking, torturing me. कि वो दिन कब आएगा? That day will come. That day will come. All right. I also think daily.
Yeah.
I feel. Oh, that day will come. That day will come. People gather around us to hug us, to embrace us. शाहरुख खान आया है सर राइट ना, अखिलेश यादव जी आए हैं राइट, प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी आए हैं। So these kind of thinking also creating in my mind कि that day will come. Now I have been eagerly waiting, extremely severe. I am waiting. I have been waiting. I am working for that day. I am making lots of ideas, plan, which also I try to execute. Here are my coaching. As a coaching, as a teachers, as a trainer, I hope that inshallah that day will come soon, very soon. If your support, your dua with me,
Teacher as like Khan sir.
if your dua, your support, right, with us, with me, definitely inshallah one day that day will come where we enjoy, where we realize that कि I sacrificed something, I dedicated something for my people, for my student, for my sister and brothers, as a countryman, as a human being, because still I am nothing, still I am not powerful, still I am not completely successful. So this is really question, which is this question is heart touching, heart reaching question for me.
Heart-wrenching.
Not heart wrenching.
Not.
Heart wrenching also you can say that, because still this is also one kind of painful. So heart touching, heart reaching, heart wrenching question really, which is also which always click, which always arise, which always right push in my body, in my mind. Keep that day will come, that day will come, that opportunity will come, that chances will come, that moment will come, that day will come, that event will come, that.
What will you do after becoming success?
Wow, दहले पे दहला आपने कर दिया. What will I do after getting success? Oh, this is one kind of key. People are saying that hard work is the key to success.
Yeah.
So I think that in according my opinion, my perspective is that success, this is one kind of key which can open
Your
all the lock, whatever blocked, whatever stopped, whatever your ambition, wishes, your demand, you require, you realize that this time they are impossible. So each and every impossible log, each and every impossible moment, things, process, tasks, which really this time we are feeling this is completely locked, blocked. These kind of things can be opened by key of success. So everyone search this kind
But
of key.
sir, आप तो success already
It's
you
my
are.
opinion. What people means, I don't know, but I think that success, this is one kind of unique and matchless, unbelievable, unprecedented, miraculous key, which can help you to open any kind of lock, any kind of block things, any kind of impossible work task easily can be done, performed by success key. That is why everyone, because this time I think that lots of things which we feel realize this is impossible for me. Just like I want to purchase any car or any things, right? So I think that this time I don't stab. I cannot afford. And one more question, ma'am, you ask. You just I want dua from your side. Ki if I get success, still this time also after getting success, God actually bestow us in myself some kind of generosity. Ki I can help those who are unsuccessful. I can support them who are facing lots of struggle, who are facing barriers. So after getting success, the things which I try to adapt most in my life, कि I explore those people, those brother and sister who are making lots of effort, but still they are not success. How can I give tips? How can I help and support them to get success? These kind of things I will apply. That is why for what I am getting success. This is my first priority. My first priority is not that ki I try to fulfill my all ambition, ki luxurious life and also
तो सर
lavish life.
कोई सक्सेस होगा पहले जाएगा गरीबों की मदद करने क्या?
You saw many people they got success. People invite them, him, or her. Now also where lots of students they are sitting as a student. So she and he delivered lecture. She actually share her journey. How did she get success? How did he get success in his life? Many kind of inspiration story. She and he exploring and delivering right before student where they can get lots of message benefit. Right, this kind of activity. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he visited many colleges, universities, where he asked multi-question. You can also ask, what do you want to be, student? In which class? He said, sir, I want to be an IAS officer. For what do you want to be IAS officer? He said, you one day you become IAS officer, but you, after becoming IAS officer, honestly, you say, never ever cheat, never ever create discrimination. I honestly work. I create honesty everywhere. ईमानदारी के साथ मैं एक ईमानदार ऑफिसर बनूंगा. And I try to finish the corruption. He said in his language. You say, after becoming IAS officer, I control the corruption. I finish the corruption. Because this is the root of all evils. Abdul Kalam, he said, because he was the inspiration of many students, many IAS officers. They are mentioning his name as the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. He was my inspiration. He was my motivational. He was my ideal person. All right. So lots of many people, lots of many great personality, eminent, prominent, paramount personality.
Our inspiration.
Your inspiration is me.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's a grace of the God. And
आपका कोई इंस्पिरेशन है जिससे आप इंस्पायर होते हैं? कोई है ऐसा? Have you any person in your life who inspires you a lot?
by the way, if you ask ideal person, so commonly we all are saying that last Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Oh guys, wonderful question really you put. Today I got I feel really delighted, ecstatic, being a part of such a miraculous, unprecedented, such a untold and unbelievable session. So, where you all guys ask question, what kind of question you ask? Ki by listening this kind of question, I am shocked. I am compelled to create outcry once more in my life. Really, you all ask matchless question, right? Which is highly compliment, high level question you ask, which everyone must have this kind of thought. Because this kind of question, guys, not only for me, for you also. It might be that you can apply this kind of question on you guys, everyone. Much things key. Right, key question is that key, what do you want to be in your life? Why? For what? This is very common and vital, compulsory, obligatory question everyone must have. Then they can go, then they can get success, then they can explore, then they can become prominent, eminent, paramount. person in their life. So guys, hope that you will enjoy a lot in this session. आपकी भी राय है, जाते जाते फिर से एक बार रिक्वेस्ट, दिस इज माई प्ली रिक्वेस्ट फॉर यू,
लाइक मत करिएगा,
डोंट लाइक, डोंट कमेंट, कमेंट करिए, बट यू पुट योर ओपिनियन पर्सपेक्टिव कि व्हाट्स योर ओपिनियन पर्सपेक्टिव अबाउट योर लाइफ, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू बी इन योर लाइफ एंड व्हाई, फॉर व्हाट, even how can we become, how can we get success, this kind of question which is really highly relatable, connectable, profitable, advantages for us. All right.